am JJ.
I'm Lauren.
And this is the Eclectic Eccentrics podcast, and today we are going to drink! So, because it's Doctor Who premiere night of season 7 second half, we're gonna make a sonic screwdriver, which I've never made before.
It's gonna be fun, kids.
And we have no idea what we're doing.
So let's make this up.
Yes, so you need ice.
I heard that it makes drinks real swell. Here are our lovely wine goblets. And only heart-shaped ice cubes will do.
Yes.
Any other kind is wrong.
Yeah, because you need love. What is Doctor Who without love?
Battlestar Galactic.
I'm putting 3 in.
Why 3? The Doctor only has 2 hearts.
Damn it! I'm taking it out.
Take it out! Yeah,
taking it out.
I just made a reference.
And I'm putting it back.
That's fine. We'll use it later.
So we're making sonic screwdrivers, so you need orange juice or orange pineapple, because I like it better.
Now Jessica prefers Florida's natural, but I'm kind of a Tropicana girl. But it will work. So, and she already made a spill, so I'm going to get a paper towel. And I'm back. Just going to clean that up.
It happens.
It happens.
Let's see if any of this is working, hopefully, because we have to keep making drinks.
Works for me.
And then I have blue carrot cow.
Carrot cow. It's a weird name.
I'm going to say cow because A-O in Portuguese is sow.
Oh.
Like chow.
Are you Portuguese?
No, I just took it in college before I dropped out.
There you go. You learn something new every day. So this is what's supposed to make it green. Like a sonic screwdriver.
Or maybe not. How much, you ask? Well, I poured this much OJ in, and I turned it to this.
It looks good. I'm kind of excited.
I went for 11th. Now, if you want maybe...
I'd like a 10th, probably, and not an 11th. That's more blue.
It is, but if I add it to that, it's going to be brown. But you can use... I wasn't prepared for that. You can use Sprite instead with the blue and make it a 10th. You add it.
It looks delicious.
Doesn't it?
An alcoholic, which is my favorite type of flavor.
And I haven't had anything to eat yet, so this is going to go right to my fucking head. And then we have vodka.
80 proof. Anything lower than that, it's not really vodka.
I never pay attention to the proof. I do more quantity than quality. Ooh, that turned it.
Well, if you do a higher quality, you can do less quantity, if that makes sense. Less of the good alcohol will make you drunker than a lot of the shitty stuff.
Very true.
Think about it. Think about it. Yeah. Kids, write that down.
Yeah, kids. When you become alcoholics, kids, write that down. So then, it's a quick video. What are you going to do? Don't judge. It looks like this.
Maybe we'll just stir it around.
Yeah, but we didn't bring spoons, and I'm not going to go off camera.
Fuck that shit.
I've never had this before.
We're going to have to drink it now.
It's probably going to be awful.
That's not bad.
Actually, no.
No. I hardly made a weird face after I drank it.
I know.
Which means it's really tasty. That was good.
I feel like we should do a freeze frame. Ready?
It's not easy having yourself a good time, greasing up those bets and bellies.